you're going to set up your own dinosaur daycare. Daycare is a place where you send little friends to go when parents have to go to work. Or if you go to preschool, you decide. So here's your sign for your store, your daycare. And then here's an idea of how to set up your dinosaurs. So you're going to have a front piece and a back piece that you can decorate any way you want. And there's two kinds of dinosaurs. And then these are the sheets you're going to put inside here. You can have an adult help you with this. And you're going to bend it like an accordion, back and forth and back and forth. Have fun with that. Then your dinosaurs who are in the daycare have a report card, meaning what do they do for the day? You're going to write your dinosaur's name, your choice on what you want to name them, the date. What did the dinosaur do today? Did your dinosaur play games, take a nap, take a bath, eat lunch or snacks, read a story, or do something else? And how was your dinosaur's behavior? Was he happy, sad, angry? And then you can write your name on here. And then here's some notes. You can draw a picture of what the dinosaur did for the day. And here's some activities that the dinosaur could have done. You're welcome to cut these out. Did you play with the dinosaur? Feed the dinosaur? Give the dinosaur a bath? Clean up after the dinosaur? Brush the dinosaur's teeth? Take the dinosaur for a walk? Read the dinosaur a story? Have the dinosaur take a nap? And then here's signs. Is your dino daycare open or closed? Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.